route to the World Cup, I have the freedom to think, to dream, to breathe. And so I have to ask myself, will the food in France smell as sweetly as the Big Mac in that bag?
Here is a painkiller that has the strength, the extra strength you want. It's the painkiller in Panadol Extra. Yet while it helps overcome pain, it's gentle on you and your stomach. Panadol Extra, strong on pain, gentle on you.
The very best of Andrew Lloyd Webber. 18 original recordings by some of the world's leading artists, including Dina Carroll, Michael Ball, Barbra Streisand, Michael Crawford, and many more. The very best of Andrew Lloyd Webber.
There's one house builder that offers the widest choice of new homes in Britain. Superb styling, a 7-day part exchange service, and for first-time buyers, a £99 down and move-in scheme. The name? It's Barrett. Call Barrett now on 0345 62 63 64.
Right now, you can save up to £140 off your gas bill if you switch to dual fuel from Northern Electric. You can also look forward to an additional dual fuel discount in the future. And because Northern Electric is right here on your doorstep, you know you can expect the best service possible.
Electricity and gas from Northern Electric.
Up to £140 off your gas bill, plus future dual fuel discounts. Sign up and start saving now.
The best coffee breaks deserve our best beans in a special blend for that great taste. Britain's best loved coffee. Nescafe Original.